See children, next page number 54, A bit. Listen to and say these words aloud. Pay attention to the sound of O, O. Okay, double O sound. B-O-O-K, book. C-O-O-K, cook. L-O-O-K, look. G-O-O-D, good. See, these are the double O sounds, two O sounds. Next, now listen to and say these words aloud. Pay attention to the sound of O, single O sound. Okay, B-O-G, bog. D-O-G, dog. F-R-O-G, frog. L-O-G, log. Learn these spellings. Okay, next. Look at the pictures. Write the names of the things in the pictures. One has been done for you. So, you have to look at these pictures and you have to write names. First one, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. They have given this. Next, what is this? Wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. This, broom. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Next, pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Next, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Monkey, wings, broom, pumpkin, aeroplane. Okay. Next, read what the children say about their prizes. So, in the competition, all children got prizes, no? So, what they were discussing? Look, I got an aeroplane. See, who is saying this? Monkey is saying. See, I got a toy dog. Okay, so they were discussing about the prizes. Next, page number 55. Harpreet says an aeroplane. Sitara says a toy dog. So, this monkey is Harpreet and Sitara is toy dog. They were talking about their gifts, prizes. Okay. We use a or an when we talk or write about people, places, animals and or things. See here. We use a or an with naming words that are only one in number. So, when we use a or an, children, see, you know vowels, no? How many vowels we have? 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. So, before the vowels, you will use an, an. So, whenever you are writing a or an, you have to observe the word next to that. If the first letter is starting with vowel, you have to write an. If first letter is not starting with vowel sound, you have to write a. Okay. We use, see here, we use an before words that begin with the sounds of a, E, I, O and U. We use a before words that begin with the sounds of all the other letters of the alphabet. All the other letters means consonants. If it is starting with an consonant, you have to write a. If it is starting with a vowel, you have to write an. Okay. Next, write a or an before these naming words. Dash ant. Here a. A means it is a vowel. So, an ant. You have to write an ant. Next one. Dash fairy. F is not a vowel, no? So, you have to write a. Dash dress. A dress. Dash prize. A prize. Dash apple. A is an oval. You have to write an apple. Dash elephant. An elephant. B bit. Fill in the blanks with a or an to complete the sentences about the fancy dress show. First one, the fancy dress show is in dash hall. So here H is a vowel? No, it is a consonant. So you have to write A. The fancy dress show is in a hall. Preeta is in the costume of dash animal. A is an oval, no? An animal. The animal has dash small tail. A small tail. Can you guess the animal? Yes, it is dash hippo. It is a hippo. So whenever we get consonants, you have to write A. Whenever you get vowels, you have to write an. Okay? Next. Adarsh and his friends went on a holiday. They played many games there. Listen carefully. Number the games in the order that you hear them. This bit we cannot do now. Why? Because we have to listen to the audio. So we will leave this bit. Okay, Nana? Next page. Page number 56. Rimi and Martha are getting ready for a party. They need some things from each other. So whenever we want anything from anyone, we should use please. Okay, when we take anything from anyone, we should say thank you. Okay, children? See here, what she is asking? Please lend me a necklace. Which one? The yellow one. Here you are. Thank you. So Rimi is asking Martha to give yellow necklace. And after giving necklace, what she is saying? Thank you. Next. Imagine you are Rimi or Martha. Talk to your partner by replacing the underlined words with words from the box. Take turns to ask and answer questions. So here necklace is underlined, yellow one is underlined. You have to replace these words with these words and you have to discuss with your parents. Okay? For suppose one example I will give you. Please lend me a belt. Which one? The black one. Here you are. Thank you. In this way you have to try with these words. Okay, children? Next, page number 57. Page number 57, and this is the homework part. You have to do by your own. Take help of your parents and complete this page. Okay, there is a fancy dress show in your school tomorrow. In the box, draw and color the costume you will wear. Draw special objects like a magic wand and color them also. Imagine that you have a fancy dress competition in your school tomorrow and neatly you have to draw here the costume you are going to wear. Okay? Next, B bit. Complete the sentences to write what you will go as and what kind of costume you will wear. And here which costume you are drawing, same thing you have to write here. I will go as, if suppose you want to go as a fairy. And what you will write here? I will go as a fairy. My costume is pink in color. In this way you have to write. Okay, Nana? And girls can write like fairy and boys can write like superhero. So many ideas you will get. Discuss with your parents, sit and write. Next, now write what you will say on the stage. Look at what Adarsh is saying. First, see what Adarsh is saying. Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh. I am dressed as a superhero. I am wearing this costume because I love superheroes. I want to be strong like them. Thank you. See, Adarsh is saying he want to get ready like superhero. He want to be dressed like a superhero. Here you can use your own ideas. You can write your own ideas. Okay. Now write what you will say on the stage. Look at what Adarsh is saying. I will say, hello everyone, my name is, here you have to write your name. I am dressed as a, here you have to write in which dress you are going to the school for fancy dress show. I am wearing this costume because you have to write reason. See what Adarsh is writing. I want to be strong like them. So here also you have to write your own idea. Thank you. Okay, children? And next, why do you think the parents clapped for all the children? So why parents clapped? Why? Because all the children were in different type of costumes and they performed on the stage. For encouraging them, all the parents were happy and they clapped for the children. So you also complete this page. Okay, Nana?